TGITF. Thank God it's Tyco Friday. I'm gonna do a Ferrari F40. Pretty badass looking Ferrari, I'd say. On a wide pan 440 ×2. Yes, sir. Appreciate you guys coming in. If you're not subscribed, please do. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and yeah, hit the bell. Get notified. Let me put you on pause. I'll bring you around here. We'll check the bad boy out. Sir, here she is. Got some fluorescent green, orange. Yeah, fluorescent orange, not green, orange. It says Ferrari. Got the Ferrari emblem. Has Champion spark plugs as a minor sponsor or a major sponsor. I'm not sure. Too small. I guess they're, because even though they're small, they're not minor, I guess. Looks like the only sponsors. Number 7. And it's got nice new silicones. Nice new pickup shoes. Black hubs. Black chassis. I think that's the one I lost Friday. Put the bad boy on the dyno. Get 60 out of it on low. Yes, sir. Alright, let's turn her on high. Yeah, I think we get 3 out of her if we roll her up a little bit. Let's put a little Earl on her, and we'll clean the body out. Okay, we'll put this on the dyno. Let it get warmed up. Yeah, how about that? That will work. She'll hit 25 when I put the body on her, hopefully. Of course, the body ain't really all that heavy, but it does seem to make a difference. Oh yeah. 22. Put this bad boy up in the book. Define the 1840s. Break it to 44.2. right before. Okay. There she is right there, number 10. Number 10. Number 96. .140 times 2. We're not sure the part number. The floor on availability, number 10. Yellow fluorescent orange black, number 7. Formula Tyco GT Champion Set, 6687. 96 140 times 2. They say 4 on availability. Alright, let's take the bad boy over to the track and we'll see how she does. Guess I better bring the car with me. Well, that's just like a 440 times 2. Not too bad. Just trying to negotiate those 3-inch turns and these two right here, 9-inch. Other than that, it runs real good. Yeah. She's a runner. Ferrari F40. Yep, she runs real good. Need to clean this bad boy up and put her back in. Other than that, she runs really good. A little fast in the turns. I think that's my fault. Yeah, plastic. so little boys and girls don't get their fingers burned. The thing landed right on my foot. Yep, right on top of my foot. There we go. There we go. We'll shine these pickup shoes up. It should be all ready to go back on the shelf. Yep, 440 times 2. There you have it, folks. She's beautiful. Appreciate you guys coming in. The hell did I put that there for? I don't know. Whatever. Appreciate you guys coming in. If you're not signed up, please subscribe. Hit the bell. Get notified. Leave me a comment. 7 words or more. Don't say good morning. Dude, it's not live. You know who I'm talking to. Dude, it's not live. I'm not live. This is recorded. And appreciate you guys coming in, like I already said. Yeah. Alright. Tonight, doing a pick kit. I got 2 left. You guys can decide right now and think about it and let me know tonight. I got a Corvette. I have an 04 Chevrolet Corvette CS-R body, whatever that is. It's the one that's got the spoiler and the lower air dam that goes on it. It's on an X traction, and I have a 4-gear 22 Charger drag car. Just think about it, and you guys can let me know tonight which car you want me to build, and I'll get on it. Bring some cold snacks with you and some jokes, and prepare to have a good time. Yeah. I don't know why this thing's spitting this butter. Probably because I'm running a virus scan. Yeah. That's definitely why. Alright. Appreciate you guys coming in. We will see you tonight. If we don't, catch you guys on Tyco Tuesday. Later.